Now, good day. Welcome back to Apostle 1 tutorial. Now, please, if you know today is the first time this much, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Like the video, my boys. Make sure you tap on the like button, and the button that looks like this one. Yeah, the one that looks like this one. Tap on it anytime you watch it. Tap it, like it. Ibab. Oh, poor. Now let's do. Now, make sure you go and solve the previous. The previous video was on loss of logarithm, and then I've given detailed explanation of the loss of logarithm. Now at this point, I'm just coming to solve questions applying all the loss of logarithm on everything that we've done so far. So this time around is about solving of questions throughout. And the solving of question, don't skip any of them, because when you skip any of them, logarithm will be difficult for you. If you want to understand logarithm very well, please make sure that you follow my video lecture by lecture. You get it? Let's go. Now, express the following as a single logarithm. Single logarithm is when you have one logarithm, it's a single logarithm. Now, this one contains 3 logarithms. We actually express as a single logarithm, so 1 logarithm. So let's see. So A, we have A, which is now this one is a logarithm where all the bases are A. Yes, so let's see how we can. So this one is the expanded form. We have to solve this one in the form of a single logarithm. Yes, which means what to do, we have to compress it. Yes. Now, so let's see. Before we can express a single logarithm, we have to consider when they are multiplying and when they are adding. Yes, when they are adding, it means multiplication of logarithm. Don't forget that we said that the first law, that is logarithm of powers. The first law of logarithm, I talked about the logarithm of powers. That is, if you have log of a exponent n or base n, it means that you're supposed to bring the exponent at the back of the log, which will be the same as n log a base what? N. And the same way, if it is like this, you can bring it at the back of as an exponent of the a. It depends on the question and how you have to go about it. So as I'm solving more questions, you know how to go about certain questions. Yes. Now the second one was the product, that is the multiplication of logarithm. Yes, that is if you have log m multiplying log n having any base. Let's say the base is x. So we said this one is the same as log m, I use the base a, log m base a. Now the multiplication here means addition. So log what? N base of what? A. And the same way when they are added, if you want to compress them, you have to multiply the logs. The base is supposed to be the same, yes. So this one is multiplication and this one is what? Addition. So this one is a single logarithm, this one is the expanded form. Expanded form. Now when they are dividing, log of m divided by n base a, we said the division means subtraction of log. So we have log m a minus log n base what? A. This is what we talk about it, and then we also talk about the properties of logarithm, where log of 1 is equal to 0, log of the same base is 1, log of the same base is 1. So you're going to apply everything here. Open your eyes very well, and then tap on the subscribe button. Now, so let's see. Now looking at this one, looking at this one is addition, this one is subtraction. It means when they are adding positive, it means multiplication. When they are subtracting, meaning division. You understand? But you see, before I will apply the addition and then the subtraction, that is multiplication and division, I have to make sure that the coefficients are all 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. You get it? So because of that, this one, I have to apply the logarithm of powers. If I have 2 log 5 base a, then I have to bring the coefficient as the exponent of the logarithm. So we have log 5 exponent 2 base a. Yes. You get it? We are applying that button, so open your eyes very well. Yes, that is you have to be able to remember all the properties and all the laws, yes, and everything I've talked about, and the definition. Now, so let's see. So this one is same as log 5 exponent 2 base a. Now plus log 4 base a minus log 10 base a. Now at this point, I know that 5 exponent 2 is 25, so I have 25 here, plus log 4 base a minus log 10 base a. Now at this point, we have addition and subtraction, where the addition means multiplication, the subtraction means division. So I have to take one of the log base a. Now this one is 25, log 25, which is positive, so we have 25 plus log 4. The log 4 means what? Addition. So this one and this one, they are adding, which means multiplication. Look at how I'm solving it. Now minus log 10. The minus here means division, so divided by 10. So it is as simple as that. So this is a simple logarithm, but I have to do something small about it. So let's see. 25 times 10 will give us 100. So 100 divided by 10. Now at this point, we will have log a. 10 goes into 110. So we have log a, log 10 base a. That's the answer. That's the maximum we can expand this one. So this one is log 10 base a. Yes. Now let's go to the b. Now here we have 3 log 2 plus 2, now minus 1. Now we are going through the same process. So we have to make sure the coefficients are all 1, 1, 1, 1. So first I have to bring the 3 as an exponent of the 2. So we have log 2 exponent 3. Now don't forget that this one is not having base. It means the base is 10. Don't forget, I talked about it in the previous video. The base is 10. So at this point, I have plus log 3, log 2. Now this one is 1. I can't leave the 1 like that. I have to change that one to logarithm. But don't forget that log of the same base is 1. Don't forget. Log of the same base is 1. That was the first property. Log of the same base is 1. So since this one is base 10, then I can write log of the same base, that is log 10 base 10 to represent 1. So log 10 base 10 to represent 1. If I don't write the base 10, it means it is in base 10 because this one's a common logarithm. You get it? So this one is 1. Log of the same base is 1. It's 1. As time goes now, I will teach you how you can change the numbers to logarithm. Numbers that you can't express in the form of an index. How you can change logarithm. When you see 2, how can you change 2 to logarithm? When you see 4, how can you change 4 to logarithm? So as we are solving questions, I'll be talking about it. Now, at this point, I'm going to have log 2 exponent 3 is 8 plus log 2 minus log 10. Now, at this point, let me take one of the logs. Logs is at the base of 10. Yes. Now, this one is plus, this and this, they are adding, meaning multiplication. So we have 8 by 2, and this one is minus, it means division, so divided by 10. I hope it's simple. Yes. Now, so we have log of what? Now, 2 going to 10 5 times, so we have 8 divided by 5. So this is the answer. This one is the single logarithm. We can't do anything about this one again. We can't do anything about it. This one is single logarithm. Yes. Single logarithm. Now let's go to another question. Now question number C. Now see, we have 2 log 3 base b, 15 base b, and this. So we have 2 log 3 base b minus log 15 base b plus log 5 base b. Now this one, the bases are all b, 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 b. So the same approach. we need to make this one as an exponent of the 3. That is applying the logarithm of powers. So we have log 3 exponent 2 base b. Now minus log 15 base b plus log 5 base b. So at this point, 3 exponent 2 is 9 base b. Now minus log 15 base b plus log 5 base what b. Now when I take one of the logs, the base is b. Now look at this one very carefully. Now this one is positive and this one is minus, so it means they are subtracting. But to make it so simple, what I'm going to do is that the positive means multiplication, the subtraction means division. So this one is positive, so I have 9 plus 5, it is positive, so times 5. And then we have minus 15, the minus means division, so divided by 15. You see how simple it is? You don't have to kill yourself. Bring all the minus as division, bring all the additions as what? Multiplication. Now, so we have log of what? 5 going to 15, how many times? Going to 15 3 times, 3 going to 9. So we have, let me do small, we have 9 divided by 5 going to, okay, so 9 times 5 is 45 divided by 15. 9 times 5 is divided by 15. Now 15 can go into 45 3 times. So the answer is log 3 base b. Log 3 base b. It is as simple as that. I hope you are following. Yes. But one thing is that after this, make sure you solve more questions. You know what I can do for you is to teach you free on YouTube. Yes. This one will reach everybody. I can teach few people. So follow me closely. Now D, I have this one. This one, they are all expressions. I also talk about equation. And we have log x plus 1. Now don't forget that anytime they write the log and we have x plus 1, it means this is the log is x plus 1. Now if they write the log and then we have something like this, it means that the log is x, the one is separate. Anytime the one is together, they'll put it in the bracket. So we have log x plus 1, so which means this one they are together. The base is 10. Now minus log x squared minus 1. Don't forget that we don't have any rule for x plus 1 in the log. Yes, but we have a rule for log x plus log y. Yes. Now, so let's see, this one they are subtraction. Subtracting. Now, subtraction means what? Division of logarithm. So I need to take one of the logs, then I will divide. This one is x plus 1 divided by this one, that is x squared plus 1. Just as simple as that. You see how simple it is? Because this one is minus. So this one divided by this one. We are expressing them as a single logarithm. Now this one I can still go further. Oh, here is minus. Now this one I can still go further because I can do something small about it. Now let's see. Now we have log. Now this x squared minus 1 is difference of 2 squared. Don't forget. So I'll have x plus 1 divided by difference of 2 squared. So to give us x plus 1 and then x minus 1. So x plus 1 we can say x plus 1. So we have log of what? 1 over x minus 1. So this is the answer, vivid answer for this. You need to simplify it more. Now let me look at the next one. Let's look at the next one. You see how simple logarithm is? Logarithm is very simple. It's not difficult at all. Now let's look at the last one. Now the last one, after I'll give another question, let's look at the last one, E. Now we have log 12 base 5 minus, now into brackets, meaning the whole of this one, we are subtracting the whole of this one from this. So we have minus 1 over 2 log 9 base 5, then 1 out of 3 log 8 base 5. Now let's look at how we can solve this question. The question is not difficult. Don't think that it's looking complicated. It's not difficult at all. Yes. Now let's see. Now I have log 12 base 5. Now this one, what I have to do is that I have to apply the logarithm of powers, where the coefficient will be an exponent of the 9. Yes. So we have log 9 exponent half base 5. And then we do the same thing here. The 1 over 3 becomes an exponent of the 8. Don't forget. So we have log 8 exponent 1 out of 3 base 5. Don't forget, I'm applying the fact that we have n log a base m is the same as this one becomes the exponent of the a. So a exponent n base m, as simple as that. This is what I'm applying. Now we will have log 12 base 5 minus, let me put it in the bracket. Now this one means root of 9 is 1 out of 2, the same as root of 9. And root of 9 is 3. Don't forget. Root of 9 is 3. So we have log 3 base 5. Now when we come here, this one, a cubic root of 8 will give us 2. So we have log 2 base 5. Now at this point, it depends on how you want to solve. I can use negative to expand the bracket. So negative times this. Or I can deal with the bracket by, this one is multiplication, because they are adding, so I need to multiply. So let me do that one first. So I have log 12 base 5 minus this one. I have to take one of the logs, then base 5. What do? It's supposed to be 3 times what? 3 times 2. So we have 3 multiplying 2, because addition means multiplication. You can do it straight away. Now, so we have log 12 base 5 equal minus log what? Log 6 base 5. You see how simple it is? Yes. Now this one is minus. Minus means what? Division of log. So I will have log 12. The minus means division, so divided by 6. All base what? Base 5. So the final answer is 6 going into 12 2 times. So we have 2 base what? 5. This is the answer. It's very simple. Can't you see? Yes. Make sure you pause the video, then you go through very well. Yes. You see, we are online and then we are done over time. Yes. Now let's look at another question, another set of questions. We are still applying another set of questions. So let's take this question, question 2. Now I'm going to write this question here. Question 2. I will help you to understand mathematics very well. Okay? Now, question 2. Expand the logarithm expression. Now, to expand the logarithm expression. Now, first one. Now we are going to expand the first one. We solve this into single logarithm. This one you're going to expand into potential logarithm, and you have to open your eyes. Okay, so let's see. The first one is log 3 syk base 5. Now b, we have log 7x over y base 2. Now c, we have log 24 base 5. Now D, we have log. Now this one is log what? 36. M exponent 12. Now divided by root n. Now the logarithm is b. Now in the last one, e, we have log, the base is 7. So we have x with y now all divided by h. Now all exponent 4. Now we are solving this one fast. Now how do we expand? Don't forget that when the change is an exponent, we bring the exponent at the back of the log. Yes. And then 2, when they are multiplying, it means addition of logs. When they are dividing, it means subtraction of logs. So let's see how we can expand. Now the first one, we have a, we have log 3x plus a 3xyk base what? 5. Now what's the meaning of this one? We have 4 things that are multiplying. 3 is multiplying s, multiplying y, multiplying k. So it means that it's the addition of all of them. Yes. So it's the addition of what? We take it one by one. Is that 3 base 5 plus, they are all multiplying, so they are all addition. So plus the log of the x base 5, then we go to the y, multiplication. So log of the y base 5 plus we go to the k, log the k base 5. Very simple like that. We are done. Now let's go to the b. If you have any question, you can contact me on WhatsApp. Then I will see how I can help you. If you want one-on-one online, I can teach you on Google Team or Zoom. Then I'll break some things down for you. Yes. Now let's go to the b. We have log of what? 7x over y base 2. Now don't forget that I'm going to start with a division. Now division means subtraction, so it means the top one minus the down one. So this one means log 7x base 2 minus log of the down one because division. So minus log y base 2. You got it? Now this 7s, I can't leave it like that. The 7s means 7 times s. Multiplication means what? Addition of logarithm. So I'm going to have log 7 base 2 plus log x base 2. I have separated the x and then the 7. Now minus log y base 2. Very simple like that. Very simple. Now let's go to the c. So these are the expanded form. Let's go to the c. We use this one for some important things. As we are solving questions, you know, just follow me closely. Now c. We have log 24 base 5. Now this one depends on how you can write. You don't have one approach for this. This one depends on you. Just look for numbers that can multiply to give you 24. What? But we can't use 1 because when you use 1 times 24, log 1 is still 0, so still we have 24. Yes. So we can use any number, any factors of 24. 2 times 22, 2 times what? 2 times 12, we can use 6 times 4, we can use 3 times 8. It depends on how you want to use it. Yes. And anyone going to use it, going to get the same answer. Yes. So for me, I want to use 8 times 3. Yeah, let me use 8 times 3. So I have log what? 8 times 3. You know, 8 times 3 will give us 24, right? Yes. Now, so from here, since they are multiplying, then I will apply the multiplication law of logarithm. That means you need to add them. So I have logarithm of 8 base 5 plus logarithm of 3 base 5. Now here I can still do something about it because I can express the 8 in the form of an index. 8 is the same as 2 exponent 3. You see, I want to expand this one in such a way that I'm going to get all the max. Yes. So when you get log 8 base 5. You can't leave it like that. So this one means log what? 2 exponent 3 base 5 plus log 3 base 5, because the 3 I can't do anything about it. Now from here I will bring the exponent at the back of the log. We are applying the power property. Yes. So this one log 24 base 5 is the same as, bring the 3 at the back of the log. So you have 3 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5, and this is the final answer. So it's as simple as that. Yes, it's as simple as that. Let's move on to the next question. Now G, please like the video, just like it. Let's tap on the like button for us. Tap on the like button for us. If you want to contact me for any classes, just contact me on, okay, let me say that's 233 557 886424. Very soon I'm coming to teach some people on SAT and then Olympiad. If you want to write a special SAT, just contact me. I'll prepare you very, very well on the SAT, the mathematics aspect. And if you want to write Olympiad mathematics, HSE, just contact me. I will guide you through. Now let's move on. Now let me go to the D. Now on the D, I have log of 36 m exponent 3 divided by now root of n. Now the base is b. Now for the first thing, I'll talk about the division, which is subtraction, so that I will separate them. So this one means, this division means subtraction. So I'll have log b 36 m exponent 3, then minus log of this one, the division divided by the denominator. Now at this point, we can separate this one and this one too. 36 and then m cube, we can separate it. They are multiplying. So we have log 36 exponent b plus log what? M exponent 3 minus log what? Root n base b. Now at this point, I can still do something about it. Yes. I can express this one in the form of an index form, 6 exponent 2. Yeah. This one the same as n exponent half. So I'm going to get something like log of 6 exponent 2 base b plus log of m exponent 3 base b minus log of n, the root means exponent half. Then I will bring all of them at the back of the log. Yes, the power group, the diagram of powers. So we are going to have 2 log 6 base b, then 3 log n base b, then half will come, half log n base b. We are done. Very simple. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. Now let's look at the last one. The last one, E. This will be my last question. After, I'll give you some questions for you to solve. Now let's see. Now at the E, we have log, the base is 7, of x root x, and then we have root of y divided by h. Now all is having a power of 4. Don't forget that they are all having a power of 4. So what I have to do, I have to deal with the power first. I need to deal with the power first. So I bring the exponent at the back of the log. So you are going to get 4 log x root y divided by 8 is 7. Because if I don't deal with the power, I can't deal with the one inside. Yes. Now at this point, they are divided. So we have 4 log x root y. Division means subtraction. So divided by the denominator, which is the 8. So minus log 8 is 7. I need to put it in the bracket because the 4 is here. The 4 is affecting all of them. So you have 4. This one means addition. So let me add them. No worries. So we have log x base 7 plus log root y base what? Base 7. Now don't forget that the root y means exponential half. So I'll bring the half at the back of the log. So minus log 8 base 7. Now I want to bring the half at the back of the log, then we are done. So we will have 4 log x base 7 plus the half log y base 7 minus log h base 7. Now let me do the last one because this one is still single logarithm. Single with chain. Let me use 4 to multiply through. So 4 times this one, we're going to get 4 log x base 7. Now 4 times half will give us 2. So 2 log y base 7. And then 4 times this one will give us 4 log h base 7. So this is how far we can expand this. Yes. Is it difficult? Don't forget to like the video. Share the video to your friend. Let it be helpful to everybody. Let's pass the WAS together. Let's pass the entrance exams together. Let's build the foundation together. Okay? Now let me give you this question. Go ahead and try. Go ahead and try this question. Send the answers on the comments. I want to see the answers on the comment section. Yeah. Now, let's take this question. So try question. Try question 1. Now express log 27 log 16 log 9 minus log 12. They are all based in as a single logarithm. So as we said, the additions are multiplication, the divisions are, the minus are what? Divisions. Yes. Okay, so now to expand in the following. Now A, we have log 64 root x root y. Now B, we have log 4, now root y divided by, now this one is cubic root of x. Now all exponential, the base is 2. Now we are going to end here. See you in the next video. Make sure you share the video, like the video, share it for friends. See you in the next video. Bye.